Yeah, finally we get to go camping after over 3 months of not getting out. So here we are, ready. There's the fridge, some bag of clothes, of course the braai stuff, cooker, and the ammo boxes down here full of food and coffee mugs and stuff like that. I can't wait. So here we are, we've arrived at Killarney. Hopefully going to have a bit of fun 4x4ing, and this is our campsite for the weekend. Nice. Yeah, so when you're doing some 4x4ing, you obviously have to deflate your tires, and I must say these tires are quite ridiculous, but off-road they are unbelievable. So I'm going to show you how we deflate the tires, and in the meantime I've got this really nifty gadget here, and if you can see it, and not really, anyway, that shows you the pressure of the tires. So we're going to deflate them down to 1.2 bar. Alright Leslie, you can undo that thing. So I don't have one of those fancy deflator things, so we have to use this gadget to actually unscrew the whole jet out of there. You have to be careful you don't lose the jet when you're doing it. Now guys, when you're out 4x4ing, it's always a good idea to get your partner to come and practice 4x4ing too, so that if you're injured or hurt or lazy or tired, she can drive for you too. Hey Leslie.
Right.
Yeah. Well done, Leslie. Believe it or not, this Landrover doesn't have any oil leaks, I'm telling you. So it's all good for the river. No pollution, no nothing. Anyway, Leslie's about to come over a bit of a tricky rough bit here. So let's see how she goes. Very good. Leslie, are you having fun?
Well, it's challenging.
Yeah, but you got to do it and learn and practice, you know, so that when we're in Botswana looking for wild dogs,
yes,
then it's easy.
Yes.
But isn't this place beautiful?
Very good.
Yeah, no wild dogs here, but Killarney, it's near Shongweni Dam, halfway between Pietermaritzburg and Durban. A lovely place to come to. Okay, normally you go and you walk through these river crossings to make sure they're not too deep, but you can see this one isn't so deep, so it's all good. In the Landrover that doesn't have any oil leaks, isn't that amazing? Barely got the toes wet. I can hear the kettle boiling. Look here. So we are in a 4x4 park, and of course the Jeep Club is here, and it's always lots of fun to watch these quite done up vehicles cruising down the river like it's the N3 highway. Yeah, lots of fun. These Jeeps certainly are lots of fun to play around in.